Hello, my name is Daryl Rademacher. I'm with XCP Corporation. We're going to be demonstrating to you one of our timer payment systems that's designed for, as an example, for pickleball courts and tennis courts for turning on the lighting. Our customer wanted it to accept bills and not credit cards or cell phone applications. So we built one for them, which you're going to see here momentarily, explained to you by Aniko.
This machine right now is set up for $20. It runs for an hour. We tested some of them, so some buttons are already running, meaning some of the lighting is already on. Right now I'm gonna put a $20 bill in it. Because they all set for $20, any buttons I could press, let's say I wanna choose court number 3. So now that light and that light over there, the court's gonna run for 1 hour. But it also accepts 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. Accordingly, a $100 bill runs for 5 hours. I press number 3. You could see there's a countdown. 59 minutes and 3 seconds left on that court before it expires.
The bill acceptor holds approximately 400 to 500 bills. And here in the background, you'll see the blue relays. They're numbered 1 through 8. Those are the outputs. Those are 30 amp relays, meaning when it latches, it has the capability going from common then to normally closed. In the standby, it's in a normally open position. In reserve, we installed a ClearToken cellular phone app. Currently, the customer does not want to use it at this time, but possibly in the future, they may turn it on. It's all pre-wired, ready to go. All they have to do is pick the phone up and call ClearToken and report the number, which happens to be ER321, and tell them how much per hour. And like we already know, it's $20 per hour, and then they will program this for that amount up to like 5 different amounts. So a customer can select $40 or $60, whatever amount of time. And that's by calling ClearToken directly.
This one, as we said, it's set for a bill acceptor and a ClearToken, but here we could also add an AX, so it's either a AX, a bill acceptor, a ClearToken, or the mix of any of the 3. Or actually we could do a CoinMac also instead of the bill acceptor. So this box is waterproof, so it could be outside. And it has 3 locks, 2 different kinds. This is just the standard plastic lock, and the extra lock we put in that's numbered and it's one of a kind.
So that ends this video on our 5008. For more information, please contact XCP Corporation 352-678-3021 or go to our website and see all of our products at www.xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video.